On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Cheese. Yeah.
So I got a new gas tank with the vent hose. I ordered the one off Amazon. It didn't have the vent hose, but it had it here, and it was less capacity. I think I told you guys that. But I also got a velocity stack with a jet 128 main and an air filter that'll do away with that air box. So let's put that on. I'm gonna have to drain that tank too. Well, it's a little restricted to begin with. They don't give a little filter for that. Vent. Actually, I probably got a fuel filter I can stick on there. Yeah, that's a ticket. Too small, unless I put a piece over it. That's coming off the, oh, that's the vent. It's like a crank vent. We'll make it bigger. Like a glove. That can stay over there. Drain this tank as much as we can. Good old Harbor Freight. Always flinging gas around. Stuff's expensive now. Figure it's easier to work on that carburetor, take this off, since it's got to come off anyway. Don't forget, on the bottom here has a vacuum, so it automatically turns this petcock on and off. Upper one is the fuel line. I never did change that filter. I guess now would be a good time. See if it was dirty. I'll still blow through it, but it was due. Put this bigger one on. Flows that way. Oh, so it does have these little standoffs. Good idea. And a little bottom bracket. Oh, that's got some cocky. The heck is that? Got a little poopy in there. Maintenance, boys, maintenance. The heck ended up in there? Good thing there's a little screen on these, huh? Now for the carburetor. I did buy another carburetor for this, with an electric choke, just as a backup. I don't think I'm gonna put it on right now. Remember this had a weird sized jet, like a, what was it, 111? It was very, you sister's butt. Whole thing came out. When they sent this, it was taped inside the bag. I put it in here. 128. And I think it's a 111 that was in it. And I did get some more jets. Have to have jets down here. I just picked up an assortment. So we'll leave that one there. Put it in our assortment. It is a little easier to work on the carburetor without the gas tank. So you got to pull this rubber out, of course, about halfway. Velocity stack, look, it's gonna jam that air in there. See what kind of difference it makes. Might make a good difference. I mean, that's quite a few steps up on the main jet. I don't know what made me buy it. I saw it when I was looking through, ordering a tank. And I said, hey, I gotta have one of those. And you put a bolt right there. Make sure you oil your filter up. I got special oil filter spray up there. I've used chain lube before to lighter stuff. That works pretty good too. What the hell? Yeah, I want that in the carburetor. Tighten this down. This is angled. Air filters are so important. And that's that. Now we gotta put the tank on. Come on. Wow, they use some pretty good adhesive there. Man. Let's see if I have some two-sided tape. I don't, believe it or not. So I'll pull what I can off of here. Put it on there, because the rest of it's kind of thick. Yeah, it's kind of thick. I'll put that there. And that'll do her. They didn't give any bushings. I could take those bushings, and one of them are kind of messed up from the gas. Still just pliable enough. Put our pet cock back. I'd rather have a pet pussy. Cat. You guys got dirty minds. Alright, we're ready. Oh, backwards. This goes the other way. I don't know why I can't remember. Only happened 5 minutes ago. There. Put the vacuum and the fuel, and we're ready for a test drive. Make sure the throttle works properly. Let's put some fuel in and hope it doesn't leak. Oh, these stupid things. Oh my God. Whoever invented these should never get another job again. Give me the old-fashioned ones. God, they're horrible. Wow. No leak? No, actually it's not even a half a tank. I'm not gonna fill it up until I take it for a test drive and I make sure it's not leaking anywhere. So we're gonna go check the mail again. Cheezy's always checking the mail. Got all kinds of stuff. Did gain a little top speed. If it does have a little more power. Sugar sand is bad. Got a new golf cart, electric, so I'm probably going to do a lithium conversion because there's no batteries. It's a little rough shape. Yeah, she runs better. Definitely noticeable power. Thanks for watching again, guys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.